If you want to create a flow diagram in Lucidchart quickly and professionally, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 2 easy ways to do it, using a ready-made flowchart template and building one from scratch. This is perfect whether you're mapping a process, creating a decision tree, or organizing a workflow for school, work, or your business. And before we get started, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the plus new button. Click that and then choose Create from Template. This is the fastest way to build a flow diagram because Lucidchart already gives you a structured starting point instead of a blank page. Now in the template search bar, type Flowchart. You'll see a variety of flowchart templates appear. Take a moment to pick the one that best matches the kind of diagram you want to create. If you're making a simple process map, a basic flowchart is usually the best choice. If your workflow is more complex, you can choose a more detailed template. Once you find the template you want, click Use Template. Lucidchart will open it inside the editor, and now you can start customizing it right away. This is one of the easiest ways to get a polished result fast, especially if you don't want to build every shape manually. To edit the flow diagram, simply double-click any shape and type your text. You can replace the default labels with your own steps, process names, or decision points. If you need to add more steps, you can duplicate shapes or drag new ones into the canvas. If a section feels too crowded, you can remove unnecessary shapes so the diagram stays clean and easy to follow. To rearrange the flow, click and drag shapes into a better position. Lucidchart makes it very easy to move elements around without breaking the layout. You can also use connectors to link each step together. These lines show the direction of the process and help viewers understand the flow from start to finish. Now let's customize the diagram so it looks more professional. Click on any shape to change its colors, borders, line style, or font. You can make important steps stand out by using a different fill color or keep everything consistent by using the same design across the whole chart. You can also resize elements if you need more space for longer text and reposition items to make the overall layout more balanced. If you'd rather create a flow diagram from scratch, that's easy too. Start by opening a blank document, then look at the Shapes panel on the left side of the screen. If you don't immediately see flowchart shapes, click plus Shape Libraries and enable the Flowchart library. This gives you access to the standard shapes used in flow diagrams. Now drag the most common flowchart shapes onto the canvas. For example, use a Terminator shape for start and end, a process shape for actions or tasks, a decision diamond for yes or no questions, and a data or input-output shape for information being entered or produced. These basic shapes are the foundation of almost every flow diagram. After placing your shapes, use connectors to link them together in the correct order. This is what turns individual boxes into an actual flow diagram. Click between shapes, drag the connector lines, and make sure the arrows show the direction of the process clearly. Then double-click each shape to add your text. Keep the wording short and clear so the diagram is easy to read. A good flow diagram should help someone understand the process at a glance without having to stop and decode each step. As a final tip, always review your diagram for spacing, alignment, and clarity. Make sure your start and end points are obvious, your decision points are easy to identify, and your connectors don't overlap too much. A clean layout makes a huge difference in how professional your Lucidchart flow diagram looks, and that's it. You now know how to create a flow diagram in Lucidchart using a template or by starting from scratch. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Lucidchart tutorials next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.